So today's video is about Diva by Cindy products. I really want to see how this works with my hair. I'm going to try a twist out and see how defined my curls are. So just stay tuned. So I'm starting off with a sulfate-free shampoo. It has green tea and argan oil in it. So it's making sure that my hair stays moisturized while it's getting deep down into my scalp to make sure that it's super clean.
She was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, I feel good sometimes I don't, I finesse down with the road, finesse.
So once I rinse that out, I'm just going to go ahead and put in the stimulating conditioner. And this smells so good. It smells like spearmint or peppermint or some type of mint, but you can feel it tingling on your scalp. And I don't know if y'all have had a shampoo or conditioner like that before, but honey, let me tell you, it makes your scalp feel so amazing. So I'm really loving how my hair is looking after I washed it. My curls are so defined. As you see, it's bringing out my natural curl pattern, which I love. So I got out the shower and I didn't do anything to my hair just yet. But I'm parting my hair off into sections because I don't know if I'm going to wear my hair down or up. Usually when I wear my hair in a twist out down, it just doesn't look right. I don't know. That's the only style my hair doesn't look right down. So as you can see, I already went ahead and twisted the back. And so I'm just wetting my hair up a little bit more because I wanted it to be saturated when I did the twist. So I'm just sectioning this part off and I am using their detangler, which made it super easy to detangle. I didn't have any knots and it just went through really smoothly. And the product I'm going to be using on my twist, it's called Perfect Edges. And I know y'all are probably like, why are you using edge control on your twist? Like, that makes no sense. But it's actually meant for your hair. So you can do roller sets if you wanted to do perm rods. It's amazing for that. Twist outs, whatever. So it works really good. I was skeptical at first, but just trust me, you guys. It feels like an edge control actually too, but it's not heavy. It's not sticky. It doesn't have a smell. So trust me, don't worry about it. It's going to get you right and your hair is going to be defined. But you also can use it on your edges and I will be using it on mine at the end of the video. So now that I am all done with my twist, I am just going to show you what it looks like up close. And I love that my hair is super shiny and moisturized. Put my bonnet on and just let my hair dry overnight. So the next morning, when I take my bonnet off, I'm looking crazy as usual. Look at that twist. Do you see how defined it is? Are you kidding me? And it's not even hard or crunchy. So that's one thing that I was just like, oh, okay. So I'm just going to continue to take down the rest of my hair. Now, it's completely up to you if you want to separate your hair more. If you don't and you're going to be wearing your twist out for a really long time, I would not separate just because your hair is going to get bigger in a few days within due time. So don't separate it too much if you're not going to wear for a long time. But as you can see, my hair is super duper defined, and I decided that I wanted to do my hair in the updo, but I wanted to use a scarf. So you're going to see exactly what I'm going to do in just a second.
God's plan. Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up. Bad thing. With them bitches, I don't get it. You're a scholar. There's a lot of bad things that they wishing.
So I did go ahead and apply some of the perfect edges to my edges, and it actually did work really well. As you see, my edges are slaying right now. So y'all know that's one thing I do not play about is my edges. And now I'm just picking out my roots just to give my hair a little bit more volume. And I'm taking my scarf and I'm just rolling it up so it's not that long, but I'm just tying it around the back of my head, and then I'm tying it in the front, then tying it in the back. So I'm just making sure that it's super extra secured. And y'all, that is basically it. And I wore my hair like that. So I really love this look because, you know, it's keeping your hair protected, but you have that pineapple effect. So I really do love that. And my twists are so defined, and it's not crunchy. It's not hard. As I stated before, my hair is super soft, and I'm just loving the definition I have. But y'all know that I love my high puffs, so I did have to see what my hair looked like in a high puff. And you know, I absolutely loved it. So let me know what you think about my results. If you have tried Diva by Cindy before, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on the next video.